I'll show you how you can achieve similar earnings, and we're starting right now. Recently, I was researching faceless channels for ideas to launch my own, and I stumbled upon a surprising find. This particular faceless YouTube channel shares adorable and funny animal clips, and people just can't get enough. They have uploaded only 42 videos, but their subscriber count has soared to over 1.1 million, which is a massive number. They started just a year ago, and if we check their earnings on Social Blade, they make over $3,000 every month from these simple videos. Sorting their videos by popularity reveals they get tons of views, indicating this niche still has lots of potential. We can replicate their strategy to earn similar amounts. And guess what? You can do this without creating your own animal videos. I'll show you the easiest way to source these videos without copyright issues, so you can monetize them on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. It's easier than you think, so hit the like and subscribe button, grab a glass of wine, and let's dive in. First, we need to find some cute animal videos which we'll source from popular Chinese apps like Douyin, the Chinese version of TikTok, Kuaishou, and Xiaohongshu. For this tutorial, we'll use Xiaohongshu, but you can choose any app you prefer. To start, download the app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. After installing, register and, if necessary, use a VPN if it's not available in your region. Upon registration, you'll see an interface where you need to select 4 interests. Here's a quick tip: prioritize selecting pets and animals before choosing the other 3. This ensures you'll see lots of animal videos. You can also select pets on the Explore page to find videos with high views and engagement, ideally over 100,000 views. Let's find 2 videos, one with and one without captions. For example, I found an interesting video without subtitles. To download, tap the share icon, copy the link, and use a video downloader from the description link to save the video. Next, let's find a video with captions to show how to remove Chinese subtitles. Download it using the same steps. Finally, we need to repurpose these videos by editing them, adding humor, and infusing some originality. First, let's create a funny caption or subtitle for the first video. We'll do this by asking our reliable friend ChatGPT to give us a humorous caption. To get a great caption, I usually describe the scenes in the video to ChatGPT and then request funny short captions. I'll include the prompt I use in the video description. As you can see, ChatGPT has provided us with some captions in less than 10 seconds. You might wonder why we are adding this caption. Adding a funny caption makes the video unique and original, making it more humorous and interesting to watch. Viewers will imagine the caption as they watch, encouraging them to comment and give a like. Now that we have our caption, the next step is editing. Don't worry, we won't be doing anything complicated. All we need to do is add some uniqueness and place our caption on it. For this step, we'll use CapCut, which is beginner-friendly and free to use. Let's open CapCut and start a new project by clicking the New Project button. Next, click on Modify and set a name for your project. Once done, change the aspect ratio from original to 9:16, which is the size for short-form content, then hit Save. We need to import the video we downloaded. Click to import the first video, then add the video to the timeline by dragging it or clicking the plus icon. Now that the video is on the track and ready for editing, we'll remove the sound to avoid copyright issues and add our captions. To remove the sound, right-click on the video and choose Extract Audio. This will separate the audio from the video. Just click on the audio and hit Delete on your keyboard. Next, let's add your own audio. Click on Audio from the top menu, select Commercial, search for the music you want, and add it to the track by clicking the plus icon. If the audio is longer than the video, trim it to match the video's length by dragging the playhead to the end of the video clip, clicking on the audio, and hitting W on your keyboard. Now let's add the caption. I'll copy one of the captions from ChatGPT and head back to CapCut. Drag the playhead to where you want your caption to appear. I want it from the start, so I'll place the playhead at the beginning. Click on Text from the top menu, click the plus icon, and paste or type in your caption. You can set the font style, font size, change colors, and use some presets. I'll make some quick adjustments and show you the final result.
Looks good, right?
To save it to your device, click Export, name your project if you haven't already, choose where to save the video, and set the frame rate to 60 FPS.
Then hit Export.
Now, let's edit the second video with Chinese captions or subtitles. First, import the video and add it to the timeline. To translate these Chinese captions to English, we need to grab all the text in the video. We'll do this by screenshotting the first scene to copy the Chinese text and translate it to English. Let me show you how. Screenshot the first scene with text by pressing the Windows key and the print screen key together. Open the tool linked in the video description, click to upload the screenshot, and then click Submit and Extract. As you can see, it has extracted the text from the screenshot. Now we need to translate the text to English. To do this, you can use Google Translate or ask ChatGPT to translate it for you. Let's try both tools and compare the results. First, I'll search for Google Translate and click on the first result. Then, I'll select English as the target language and paste the Chinese caption into the text box. As you can see, we now have the English version of the caption, which matches the video. Next, I'll use ChatGPT. I'll ask it to translate the Chinese text to English, paste the copied text, and see the result. It looks similar, but I'll go with the one from ChatGPT. Let's copy that and head back to CapCut. Before adding the caption, let's play the video. Since it has a voiceover, we'll need to add one as well. This is simple and can be done in CapCut, so no worries. Click on text, add the new caption, and adjust the font size, style, and colors, ensuring it's not too large on the screen. To remove the old caption, we need to add a background to the new caption. Select from the available presets, choose one that fits your preference, and adjust it to cover the old caption. Now, let's add the voiceover. Click on the text, and on the right, you'll see text-to-speech options. Click on it, and choose a voice you like, then click the Start Reading button. You can also use 11 Labs or Clipchamp if you prefer. Play the video again to check for additional captions. If you find another caption, screenshot it and repeat the same steps to translate it to English. Let me quickly do this so we can move to the next step. After a few minutes, let's check the results.
When my cat was too afraid of water to bathe, I found a way to help him adjust.
Now that you understand the process of creating these videos, it's time to take action. Create your YouTube Shorts channel today and start uploading. This channel has lots of potential, and if you can avoid burnout and stay consistent, you can succeed. Remember, success on YouTube is a journey, not a sprint. Keep creating, keep learning, and keep growing. Your breakthrough moment is just around the corner. Don't forget to check out this playlist to guide you in starting a YouTube channel without showing your face. If you want to create a monetizable YouTube automation channel, this playlist is for you. See you in the next video.